Yeah, g'day guys. We have this auger here which is about to head into the auger boards for a bit of a repair. It's been dropped off by a customer who's asked us to fix up the outside teeth, as well as there's a couple of teeth that are being let go beyond their life. So a bit of a classic repair job that we need to see. A lot of you guys out there aren't paying enough attention to especially your outside teeth. Your outside teeth are the ones that are going to do the most distance. They're travelling that circumference of the auger, so they're always going to be working harder. They're going to cop the most abuse. So you see wear coming in on the outside here, which is starting to reduce your overall cut diameter. So what you need to do is be very mindful each time you're coming up, clearing that auger off. Just have a quick visual check of those teeth. Make sure they're all still in their location. Make sure they're all facing the right way, nothing's dislodged during the drilling process, and that they're not going beyond their life. Once the bit of carbide comes off that tooth, it's going to wear down super quick if you're in hard abrasive ground. So like we see in this one here, it's been worn down to a nub. There's absolutely nothing left of that tooth, and it's starting to wear away on the pocket. So like what's happening here on the outside, these teeth have lost their outer edge, their clearance. That clearance is clearance past the outside diameter of the flights here. So once it starts doing that, you're going to get severe wear here on your pockets. And as you see here, it starts rolling over the edge of the flight. That means that your auger flighting is now starting to rub on the side of the hole. They're probably going to need a bit of rebuilding if we're going to get it back to the correct diameter. These teeth need to come out. Luckily, they haven't gone really too far into the gum of the tooth, so a bit of weld on that will bring that back up, hard facing, a couple of new teeth in there, and that one will be up and living again. So you're going to see less wear on the inside. So in the case of you guys that run the double teeth all the way across, you can shuffle teeth to the outside and put your worn teeth on the inside. When you're down that hole, you're drilling in the really hard ground, rock. Don't just leave that auger down the hole. Don't just sort of sit it there grinding away for 10, 15, 20 minutes. You're just going to superheat those teeth to the point that it melts the carbide or melts the solder that holds the carbide off, and that carbide drops off, leaving only your parent metal here, like in this tooth. That's going to disintegrate real quick. So maximum 3 to 5 minutes down the hole, up, let air get to the bottom of the hole, visually check your teeth. A little bit of water, not too much, just a little bit of water in the bottom of the hole, and it's going to make your wear parts last that much longer. So there you go guys. If you've made a mistake and you've worn down your auger, you need some repairs, you've got a couple of pockets that are blown out, give the service team a call. They'll get it booked in, get the guys in Augers to repair it up, put those new pockets in. If you need replacement parts, teeth, pilot, give the parts guys a call. They'll help you out and get you those new teeth. Always remember to have a set of teeth in your cab, on your truck, ready to go, because you never know when that tooth's going to wear out. You never know when you're going to hit that hard ground. So always be ready to change those teeth out. So check us out online, look us up on socials, and we'll help you out.